Waiho me tiki ake ki te kumara iarangi ko peke hawani ka noho iare hua koruhi te rangi ka tau kei raro te ngahuru tiko tiko I ere.
I feel we're on the brink of a huge crisis, identity crisis. And anything I can do to help part of that antidote. Yes, we've been through the pain and the loss, but we need to move on. So I designed the Māori alphabet to bring this knowledge to my people. And if I can bring my Māori alphabet to assist my people, I will. You have the concept of te kaua I runga, the celestial, and the kaua I raro, the terrestrial. And stars, comets play a huge part in our lives, influences us. And part of the alphabet is going to teach that. I've replaced the letter T, for example. And the letter T is the symbol for Mātahi. So when you write the letter T, you're connecting yourself to the star constellation called Mātahi. And if you know that the main navigational star that we use to sail to Aotearoa is Mātahi. Mātahi centers you on how to navigate your way to Aotearoa. So that's what I've done, how I've done the connection. When you throw the European symbol out, the European influence on our culture, throw that out, put Mātahi T in its place. I'm sure it will work. Mātahi and He Mātaua Māui are connected. When early October, the hook of Maui does not dominate the sky. It's in its last phase. And that's when Rehua is the top arc of the hook of Maui. And I used to go out to Whero and observe that. It used to fascinate me. So we know Rehua is the star of this great ancestor which we're connected to called Pūhaurangi. And Pūhaurangi came to Earth on a comet called Mātakokeru. And when you see that star, you know that star is going to give planting abundance. Because around that time in October, we start planting our kumara when you see Rehua. But not only because of that, because of the connection to us. But what's fascinating, the hook of Maui comes like that and then arcs down like that to expose Rehua. And when Rehua is going down, Mātahi Nia or Mātahi I runga is coming up here. That's when you sail. So all those elements help revive who we are and what we are and where we come from.